Alright, so we got a couple products here my wife had ordered. I'm doing an opening for. These are the Aidu, I think is how you pronounce the name of the company. And it's the Invisible Reusable Push-Up Bra and Women's Strapless Adhesive Demi Cup. So this here is this is the mango shape and champagne nude color. So it looks like they clasp together like so. So you would snap that part down in there. As you can tell, this is not one that I am familiar with removing or putting on for that matter. So that's going to be weird. Anyways, something like that. These two snap together. This is the A cup, so this gives you an idea of how big it is. Looks like it's got a little nipple sticker there, and then some adhesive sticky pad right there. The other one, this is the black angel wing model. So it's got these little wing things on the side. Looks very similar, except I don't see a nipple sticker in the middle. Oh, yeah, there it is, right there. Definitely padded in the bottom, so you've got that. Anyway, there's the unboxing video. Not much I can really tell you about that, since it's not something I have a lot of experience in. However, after my wife has had a chance to trial it, I'll write up the review and let you guys know what we think. I did get this product for a discount in exchange for the review. Any questions, comments, make sure to leave them, and we'll get to them as soon as we can. Thanks.